Uh-oh. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming in, watching another video of mine. As you see here, yes, I gave into the hype. Yeezy 500 in the blush colorway. So I guess I should say I didn't really give into the hype because, well, I gave into the hype. I did the pre-order on these. Finally, we got them. Here is the tag. Size 11. I went a half size up. We'll discuss the sizing in a bit for us. As you can see here on the bottom, you can probably see where it says Desert Rat. So they basically put a sticker on it. From my understanding, they renamed it. And then here's the tag from, see if I can get it for you guys. Well, my apologies, but, well, there you go. That's the sticker from Yeezy Supply. So these came in to me about a week ago. Man, I was expecting to get these a lot earlier. So I was very excited at first because I was interested in trying out something new. I never really purchased any Adidas shoes until I tried on Boost. So Boost is really all I knew from Adidas. So I was a little skeptical to see like how these fit in the comfort level. And I'm actually very surprised and very happy. With one side note, but let's go ahead and take a look at them. So slide out box that we're all pretty familiar with Yeezys. I did kind of try these out and walk around in them a bit, but I haven't really worn them yet. But I think I have a pretty good idea, and I can definitely share that with you guys. So we'll toss that aside. So yes, in the blush colorway. Yeah, people like this shoe. People hate this shoe. Some people love the shoe. I like it. I wouldn't say it's my favorite Yeezy ever, but it definitely looks a lot better once you get to take a look at them in person. Sorry, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. So, biggest thing, no Boost. Is it comfortable? It is comfortable. Not as squishy as Boost, but in my opinion, I feel like this is a shoe that I can probably wear for a good period of the day without any real like foot fatigue. Sometimes when I wear Boost for long periods of time, since it's so squishy, my foot kind of hurts a little bit. I don't know if it's because maybe just the way I walk. Could just be my experience, but with these, it's definitely a little bit firmer of a ride. It is very cushioned. Like it's actually, there is some give in this material here. The rubber on the bottom is very, very, very solid. But I think what adds to the overall comfort is really just the cushion that you have inside the shoe itself. So you have the Ortholite insole there. It's supposed to add a little more cushion. You really don't feel it on the bottom of your foot, but really how it hugs your ankle around here. Like the cushioning here is very, very thick. And especially if you're used to maybe just like a Yeezy 350, you don't really get that type of cushion on here since those have like that sock-like feel. On the pictures I've seen where the tongue isn't sticking out, I hate the way the shoe looks. Like, I do not like how that looks there. But whenever the tongue's on, and I've seen a few nice on-foot pictures, it looks pretty nice. The colorway isn't my favorite. It's kind of like, it's called blush, but it looks a little more like a beige, very, very light beige. The materials, before I was like mostly an Adidas guy, I was really into Diadora, New Balance, Sauconys. So I'm pretty familiar with like comfortable shoes and high quality materials. And for Adidas, or really just overall, this is very, very, very nice. You got like a longer haired suede here on the toe. It is also around where the laces go through here, around the heel, kind of coming back around here. More of that suede. Also on the back, you got a little bit of that suede right here. Very, very nice quality. It is a color that probably gets dirty easily, so you might want to spray some of that repellent on there. I've never used it, but I would think that this is like a perfect shoe for that. You got kind of this like mud guard here. It's kind of like a rubber material. You can kind of see the outline there. Goes around the shoe, it's around the front here. So that might save you from getting it all scuffed up and dirty a bit on that area. But I would still probably recommend hitting it with some of that repellent material. Right above that mudguard, you do have a nice, it's like a very short skin suede, or a short hair suede, I should say. It has a very nice buttery feel to it. I hate using the word buttery, but I really don't know any other way to describe it. So it has that buttery feel, and that goes around this side as well on the outside of the shoe. And then you have some leather. So you see the leather right here. You know, this looks like it's just going to naturally crease as you wear the shoe, so can't really do too much about that. And then you have some more leather around here. This part looks kind of funky, to be honest, around the tongue. And then just like the same colored laces, nothing too crazy. But yeah, I find them very comfortable. Again, it's not gonna, if you're looking for that squishy feeling that Boost offers you, like you're walking on clouds, as they say, you're not gonna get it with this. But you know, shoes existed. They've existed for years. They've been comfortable for years. Are they as comfortable as Boost? No. Or as a Yeezy or an Ultra Boost? No. But they can still be comfortable, and in my opinion, that's not a deal breaker for me. I really enjoy the way that they look, and in fact, like, it's really just the interior. Like, it just gives you a totally different experience from any other Yeezy I've tried on. Then you got like this mesh here. I will say one con is probably that it's a little, maybe not for the summer months, it's a little warm because of all these materials and all the layers. I don't feel like it's as breathable. The tread on the bottom seems like it is fairly durable. So I think you should be able to get quite a bit of use out of them. Like, it's a very hard rubber, and it does have a bit of a nice grip to it, so I don't think you'll have any issues on that part. The color, for sure, once you wear these around, it's going to get very dirty. Can't really do anything about it, and hey, it's the bottom of the shoe anyways. There are some other colors coming out in this model this year. So we have the Supermoon Yellow. Those are, I guess, recently, it's been confirmed, or at least rumored, that they're going to come out in June, re-releasing in June. So I feel bad for all those people that bought that $700 bundle for the hoodie and the shorts. But that yellow, I really like that yellow for some reason. I don't know what I would wear it with, but I really like how they look. And also in the utility black, which is basically just like an all black charcoal, you know, darker color. Those look pretty nice as well. I think those come out sometime in July. So it looks like this is a model that we'll be seeing a lot of. And then also, if you haven't checked out Kanye's Twitter profile, he posted like a picture with like 15 different colorways of this. So it looks like this is a model that will be here to stay. If you really want it, resale is only about like $30 or $40 above retail. So I would definitely recommend going with it. Oh, and before I forget, probably most important thing, sizing. I went up a half size because I did the pre-order. I didn't know how they would fit. I wish I would have gone true to size, because they do have quite a bit of room, especially like in the toe area. Like my feet, I don't have wide feet. I have like, I guess like normal feet, not narrow, not wide. And I had quite a bit of room in the toe area. I like a little more snug of a fit, especially when you have like the leather here. You don't want to get any like really weird creases, and sometimes it happens when you have a shoe that doesn't fit you properly. So I think true to size could be okay. What I'm actually going to do is order a true to size, a 10.5, fairly shortly, and hopefully those work out better, and then I can just sell these. Really not looking to make a profit, just really get my size, and that way I can know for the future releases, just in case those are a little more expensive. That way I'll have the right size for myself. But yeah, very nice. A little bit of 3M around this area right here. Probably not popping at all in this picture, but yeah, overall, it's a polarizing shoe. You like it, you hate it, some love it. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and throw a few more photos of these just so you can kind of get a good look at them. All right, thanks for tuning in.